Good morning, people. It is Tuesday, May 5th, and you know what that means? Cinco de Mayo and Taco Tuesday. Unfortunately, I'm not getting any tacos today because I just had tacos literally yesterday. So I've already made up for my Cinco de Mayo day. But today we are headed to this Mediterranean spot. They have gluten-free pita. I haven't had gluten-free pita. First of all, I've never had gluten-free pita. I haven't had pita in so long. And I seen this on TikTok and I was like, I have to go. I've been saving it for this video. So we're gonna head there. After that, we're gonna explore around. I also booked me a ticket to watch The Devil Wears Prada solo. I love a good solo movie trip. We're gonna head to Whole Foods before that as well. It is 77 degrees outside New York. We're having fun. I'm wearing shorts today. I'm very casual and chill because I'm going to the movies, you know? So yeah, let's head out and head to grab some lunch. There's so much happening right now, I don't even understand. But you guys, I just got off the train. I'm at Lexington Ave 53rd, but I'm a 6-minute walk away from the restaurant. I'm so hungry right now. I don't even understand. I feel like I'm literally starving right now. I'm about a 2-minute walk away. I actually see it right in front of me. I'm so excited to eat. You guys don't even understand. Gluten-free pita? That's my dream right now. My dream is to eat gluten-free pita. I don't know what else I want to get. Probably hummus, but I don't eat like feta and all that stuff. I don't eat cheese, unfortunately. Like a chicken gyro. Is that what you say? Gyro, gyro. Chicken gyro, chicken gyro. That's on my list. I'm gonna do the lunch special. I'm gonna get me a Greek gyro with chicken, gluten-free, and then a side of rice, lemon potatoes, side of lemon potatoes. Yeah. Thank you. I'm so excited to eat. This looks so good. This should be filling right now. Honestly though, the pita that they gave me earlier is so good, but I don't think it was gluten-free because I just looked it up and not everything is gluten-free here. So in order to substitute for gluten-free pita, it's $3 extra. And I was getting that for free, so I don't think that was gluten-free, quite frankly. I left the restaurant right behind me. I'm gonna attempt to walk to Stone Street since it's Cinco de Mayo. I know they have like a block party. I don't think they have it today, but I think it's kind of crowded today. So I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna walk there. It says I'm a 2-hour walk away. I obviously know that I'm not gonna walk for 2 hours because my movie is at 5 o'clock and it's 3:34. So we're gonna walk for a little bit, get our steps in, and then we're gonna head to the grocery store, or if we see anything, we'll just stop by, stop in. But then we're gonna head to the grocery store and get me some snacks for the movie. I've been obsessed with granola bars more recently, and yeah, I just ate 2 yesterday. I forgot the brand, but it was so good. It didn't taste like a protein bar. It tasted like, I don't know, it tasted like a dessert. I'm walking to the grocery store. I feel like I need some fruit. I'm like very dehydrated. Or like a liquid IV. I can use that. I'm just gonna get my snacks from here. Look at this. Best granola bars ever. Okay, I'm gonna get these 2 bars and then maybe, this looks so good. Let me go grab some kiwis because I love kiwis. $1 each, that sounds about right Whole Foods wise. Favorite. The chocolate mint is like way better. Way better. I just realized I didn't get the Takis that I wanted. There's like these healthier version of Takis. I guess it's healthier since it doesn't have any dye in it. That I really want and haven't had. So I'm gonna head there and grab that. And then it's like a 4-minute walk away from the theater. which is gonna be so fun. I brought my sweater too because I'm not too sure if the theater's gonna be cold, but every time I go to a movie theater, it's always cold. So made it to Whole Foods. I'm gonna grab me some bananas so I can make a smoothie in the morning tomorrow. 3, and then I also need these chips. I'm gonna show you guys these chips that I always get. No more Alohas. I'm actually not gonna eat anymore because I didn't really like the flavor that I got. But I could use some gummies. These are the chips. These look like life-saving. What is this? Okay, we're gonna do this. I'm so excited to try these. You don't even know. I've been waiting for over a month to try these, and I've always been like, no. But it's perfect because we're going to the movies today, so. I got all my goodies that I needed. I don't think they check bags at the movie theater, right? No, they shouldn't. They shouldn't check bags. I also got me a liquid IV to put in my water because I feel like it tastes better. And I also need energy. I need hydration, I need energy, and I think it would taste good with the chips. The last time I've been to this movie theater, I actually went with a friend, and we went to go see Wicked. Me, her, and her husband. It was a fun time. It was a fun time. So I'm excited to check this out. Rate the movie 1 to 10. Everybody's been also telling me to watch the Michael Jackson movie. But you guys let me know if you watch the Michael Jackson movie, and if you watch this movie, The Devil Wears Prada. Let me know what you think before I share my opinions on this one, especially. What is this one?
Very fun. Try from waving. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for being here. Be on time, just wait, I'm coming. This paparazzi routine.
Good morning, people. It is 2 days later. I am on my little hot girl walk around Brooklyn. It is 62 degrees right now. I have no plans today. I'm just walking around the neighborhood. I'm gonna edit part of this YouTube video, probably go to a cafe, but I want to get 10,000 steps. I want to get 20,000 steps in, at least 20,000 steps in today, because I didn't go to the gym earlier today. I went to the gym and then I came back to my apartment and I was like, yeah, I'm not working out. So I'm turning this into my workout. So far I've been walking 20 minutes, which is good. Let's start, and then yeah, maybe walk for about 2 hours, walk an hour back to my apartment. I'm just enjoying the sun now. It feels so good. I need to get a good tan this summer as well. I bought this tanning lotion. I don't know if you guys seen it in my Spain vlog, but that tanning lotion is so good. So I can only imagine how it would look when I actually do have a tan. It feels so good outside. It feels, just spring, summer in New York is like the best feeling ever. And if you get to experience that, count your blessings, because this is the best time. The best time to hang out with friends, grab lunch, go to dinner. I just left from Springbone Kitchen. That was so good. It started getting so hot though that I had to hurry up and finish my bone broth and just dash because my back was sweating terribly. My back was sweating terribly. Williamsburg Cinema's right here. We should go watch a movie again. No, we already know what happens when I watch movies. I can't believe I fell asleep watching The Devil Wears Prada. Like, why did I fall asleep? If this happens to you, please comment so I can feel just a tad bit normal, because every single time I watch a movie, I fall asleep. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know why I do that. Like, if there's some type of chemical reactions in my body to the movies that I watch or what, but yeah, I always fall asleep. I think it's mainly a comfort thing, like when I feel very comfortable. But let me know this is not just me. Just warmed me up some sourdough toast. Ta-da! I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'll see you guys once I'm done getting ready. I'm all dressed. I'm wearing these huge glasses. So right now I'm actually gonna head over to this cafe. It's called Soft Bar. If you watch Summer House, you know exactly what this cafe is. If you don't, I'm a Bravo girl. Like, love Summer House, Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, Real Housewives of Salt Lake City, Real Housewives of Rhode Island that just came out. I've been watching that back to back. Today's Friday. Beverly Hills. I love watching Beverly Hills when I'm eating dinner. So yeah, we're gonna watch that. Well, I'm gonna watch that tonight after I'm done cooking dinner. But yeah, we're gonna head to Soft Bar. Then we're gonna head to Trader Joe's, probably in Williamsburg, because I think it's the closest. This cafe is located in Greenpoint. I haven't been to Greenpoint in a while. You guys don't know because I wasn't vlogging back then. But when I first moved to New York, I lived in Greenpoint. It was my favorite apartment, actually, the best apartment ever, quite frankly. It had the best views, but it was so far from the train, so I had to move away from there because I was getting depressed. But yeah, I am going to head out. Yeah, I feel like my outfit is very simple and chill. I'm gonna wear my ballet flats because I feel like it matches my hat. These ballet flats that I got in Spain are the most comfortable shoes ever. You're gonna have to literally steal these from me for me to get it off. We're about to get off the next stop and then we're gonna be a 7-minute walk away. So this should be quick. I think I'm gonna work for an hour and then head out, go to Trader Joe's, go shopping. I made it, you guys. Well, I didn't make it yet. 5 minutes away. I lived off the Greenpoint Ave when I used to live over here. And then I was like a 15-minute walk from the train. I'm gonna go on a little food run probably next week and do like restaurants that I've never tried. Definitely some Mediterranean spots. I love Mediterranean food. Mediterranean is my favorite food. We actually might cook that tonight. We might cook some Mediterranean food. We'll have to see. I'll go to Trader Joe's. Probably after I'm done editing and everything. And I was thinking of going to Italy, but I'm not really in the Italy mood, you know, because if I get rotisserie chicken, then I'm gonna eat that rotisserie chicken tonight. And we just discussed getting Mediterranean food, so no. To be or not to be. Can I ask, is this sweet?
No, it's not sweet, actually. Just strawberry foam. Perfect for you.
Okay, let me do that one.
What are you going to stay?
For here. But can I get in a to-go cup? Yeah. Okay, this is what I got. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna put on my laptop and work on this video. We're gonna edit this, get this out, hopefully by Sunday. Maybe tomorrow's Saturday, so we'll see. But so far, this bar is so cute. This is like my type of bar, and it's alcoholic free. passing by this beautiful park. I've never been over here before, so this is very, I've never been this far. I've been over here, but not this far. But this is so cute to just watch the sunset and sit on a date with friends, by yourself. Okay, we made it into TJ's. People, I honestly don't need much stuff because I already ordered. Well, I do. We'll see. I feel like I'm going to spend $60 today because of fish. Now, one thing on me, I love the branzino at Trader Joe's. I love fresh branzino, but y'all gotta be adding up. Just had it the other day because sometimes I need a refresh. But then, like, it's like, okay, girl, you got a budget. Then we head back to Trader Joe's, you know? Gnocchi, I love. Now they have basmati rice. Oh my gosh. How's it melting? Oh my gosh, here it is. Dude, this is so exciting. Made it back home from Trader Joe's. I actually stopped by Whole Foods because I need some kiwis. They didn't have any kiwis. Who doesn't have kiwis? Hello? I'm going to cook. Let me start my air fryer actually right now and throw these branzinos in there. I'm going to snack on some carrots and hummus. Since my branzino is cooking, I'm going to cut up some vegetables. I'm going to use bell pepper and then these frozen veggies. Basmati rice that I got from Trader Joe's as well, cilantro and spinach, and I'm gonna use half an avocado. It's been my addiction. I'll cut half an avocado, put coconut aminos, literally a pinch of salt, and then garlic powder, and it's so good. And I'll mush it together. I'll eat it by itself. It's that good. Plantains with it, oh my gosh, it's life-changing. It's life-changing. But yeah, let's get to cooking. Dinner's all done. Here we have it right here. So I have a branzino filet from Trader Joe's, avocado. I put coconut aminos and salt, a little salt, tiny bit, and garlic powder, and then basmati rice from Trader Joe's as well. So that's what we have for dinner tonight. So excited to eat, you guys. You don't even know. I'm going to turn on my show, The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and watch this reunion. Okay, I gotta get into it, but I'm gonna close out this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Can I be honest? I don't know. These past few weeks, I just have not been feeling like myself. I've just been very overwhelmed, and yeah. My friend Ava would love this. Oh, I definitely don't need anything for my apartment. This is very cute though. It took me so much to pick up my camera, get dressed and go out today. Like I was like, no, I'm not doing it. And then I was like, you have to do it actually. So here I am.